Welcome to the Savvy Homebody. Let's make fresh strawberry sauce. So you'll prep all your ingredients and then we're going to move on over to the pan. Start with our cornstarch and water here. So you're going to need a thickener because that strawberries when cooked gives off a lot of moisture and those thickeners really help. So start in your pan with medium heat, add in your strawberries. I chopped half of my strawberries and the other half I actually sliced them. Add in your sugar, and then we're going to add in some freshly squeezed lemon juice. That gives lots of flavor to this sauce and really helps brighten that color. So add in your slurry. You can also use some alternatives and you can check that out on the blog. So here on medium heat, we're going to cook that for a few minutes and then you'll see how that cornstarch really thickens up the sauce really nicely. At this point, I've been cooking the sauce for about 3 to 4 minutes, so I see that it thickened up just the way I like it here, and I still just like a little bit of chunks there. So just make sure you thicken it up the way you'd like it here, and if you want to add chunks of fresh strawberries, which I recommend because what I did was I sliced my strawberries pretty thick, and this is where I'm going to add it at this point because we're really not going to cook this sauce much longer. It really takes about a cook time around 6 minutes because overcooking the sauce will kind of dull out the color and it'll be a little too brown. I really love fresh strawberry sauce that's nicely bright and red and not overcooked. At this point, you're going to cook it the way you like it, and I like to add a little bit pop of extra flavor, so that is some vanilla extract, and that just brings it over the top for me. I just love adding it. It's purely optional, but I just love the flavor that it adds. So what you're going to do here is just check the way you'd like the texture to be. So here I'm adding a little bit of water and that thins out the sauce. And you can make this sauce as thick or as thin as you'd like. If you're going to put this as a filling, you're probably going to want to make this a little bit thicker. And if you're going to top it, you can definitely make it thinner. So you can store this if you'd like for up to a day. I actually love to serve mine immediately because the longer this sauce sits, it'll lose its bright color. And the good thing about fresh strawberry sauce is just all the amazing color and texture. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Definitely check out the blog for more details. And I want to thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. All right, I'll see you guys next time.